Hi, today I'm going to talking about my lab report. This time we are going to build an electromotor and estimate or measure how fast it spins. Let's talk about the materials first. We need magnets, axle, and copper wire. We also need an electric power source and line conductors. We also need an experiment table, and scissors and duct tape are also the things we need. Before we start making an electromotor, let's first talk about the principle of making an electromotor. When a rectangular coil carrying current is placed in a magnetic field, a torque acts on the coil which rotates it continually. When the coil rotates, the shaft attached to it also rotates, and thus it is able to do mechanical work. And here's the graphic that I made to make the electromotor might work. When the coil is powered, a magnetic field is generated around the armature. The left side of the armature is pushed away from the left magnet and dropped towards the right, causing rotation. And it turns like this. When the coil turns through 90 degrees, the brush loses contact with the coil, and the current stops flowing through the coil. However, the coil keeps turning because of its own movement. And it turns like this again. Now, when the coil turns through 180 degrees, the sides get interchanged. As a result, the current continues to flow in the same direction. This is after you coil the copper wire. Remember to leave both sides on one side of the axle. This is very important. The electromotor that we made looks like this, and this part is the most important part. We have to make sure that both sides of the closes should place it like this, so we can make sure that the brush can touch it. And let's have a look how does our electromotor works.
我以为像他这样子。
我们可以拍吗？
喂喂喂！没难，然后
Too fast.
I made too fast.
Oh,
Okay, enough. Okay, try the maximum.
It seems that our electromotor works very well, and now we have to estimate how fast does it spin. The teacher used this machine to help us to measure how fast does it spin.
Keep it spinning if you can.
Can we make it the voltage higher?
Yeah, if you want.
So every time I spin around,
I think Kevin.
they're swapping in the So I want to make something like I've got connected to the battery.
After doing that, this machine has shown us this picture. By looking at this picture, and now we can figure out how fast does it spin now. At last, we have figured out our electromotor turns 8 rolls per second. It seems that it can spin very fast. And that is all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.